Psalm 27 verse 1 says, "The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid?" I had everything ready to record: paints, brushes, camera, and a bright light behind me, thinking it would improve the video quality of my tutorials. Well, it didn't. The light caused such a glare that the first part of the video isn't visible at all. I thought, oh no, I'll have to start over and record the whole thing again. But then I looked at the verses I had planned for today, Psalm 27 and Revelation 21, and I just smiled. God, you really do have a sense of humor. Now, I'm not saying God caused the light issue, but these verses were the perfect reminder. The Lord is my light, our light, the only light that truly matters in Jesus. And then Revelations 21 verse 5 says, "He who was seated on the throne said, I am making everything new." Then he said, "Write this down, for these words are trustworthy and true." I do want these tutorials to look beautiful. I want them to be enjoyable, encouraging, and clear. But when it comes down to it, it's not about perfection. It's about presence, God's presence. Today's devotional is a reminder not to let fear of judgment or the desire for perfection steal the joy from the creative process. Jesus is the light we need to focus on, and He is always doing something new, even when things don't go as planned. So today I invite you to simply enjoy the painting process. I painted 2 mugs using the wet on wet technique, letting the colors flow and blend freely. It's an illustrative style, so don't worry about getting the cups perfectly 3D. No pressure about shading or dimension. Just let your brush dance. And once you're done, grab your favorite real life mug filled with hot chocolate, coffee, or tea, and thank God for being your light and stronghold today. Thanks so much for painting along with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos, devotionals, or creative prompts. And I'd absolutely love to see what you created. Come and share your artwork in the Facebook group Colourful Faith Art Studio. It's a safe, encouraging space where we celebrate creativity, faith, and colour together. You don't have to be a professional artist, just bring your heart and your paints. Until next time, keep creating with joy and let His light shine through everything you do. See you soon.